This is your upper body assisted suspension squat. We've got these suspension bands. These are very rigid straps like the TRX type bands. And we got them strapped all the way to the top bar there, some high point there. And what this allows us to do is then we're going to sit back into a squat like we normally can, but we're going to use our upper body to help pull and lift us up out of it. This is good if you have trouble doing a regular body weight squat, so you can use your upper body to help pull you up through it while using your legs as much as you can. You really want to try and actively use your legs as much as you can and just have your upper body take over where you need to. As with any other squat, we're keeping our feet parallel for this one. It's not all squats are like this, but we're going to keep our feet parallel and hip width. And we're going to keep with every squat, we are going to keep our knees in line with the middle of our feet there. So as we squat, knees stay right over the midline of each foot there, okay? Back stays nice and straight. Only go as far as you can keep your back straight. If you have tight hamstrings, you might get to a point to where you squat down low enough and your back rounds out. Fortunately, these days, it's got to be pretty far for me, but it might be shorter for you, and you got to respect your body. If you're rounding out up here and you can't straighten your back and you're feeling it tight in the hamstrings, you're going too far. Only squat down as far as you can keep your back up nice and straight, and then use your upper body to help kind of lift you up through it so you can work those legs with a little bit of upper body assistance, however much you need to complete it with good form.